निवाज हाउसिंग फाइनेंस ब्रांच ओपनिंग। हैदराबाद के मसरूफ तरीन इलाके एसआर नगर में निवाज हाउसिंग फाइनेंस की ब्रांच का इनॉग्रेशन मिस्टर सिरजीत मेनन, सीईओ ऑफ निवाज हाउसिंग फाइनेंस ने किया। इस मौके पर गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर मिस्टर श्रीपैट देसाई, चीफ ऑपरेटिंग ऑफिसर मिस्टर के.वी. मल्लिकार्जुना राव, रीजनल बिजनेस हेड मिस्टर स्वरूप रेड्डी, रीजनल क्रेडिट मैनेजर और दीगर मेहमान खुसूसी मौजूद रहे। निवाज हाउसिंग फाइनेंस की इस ब्रांच की ओपनिंग के मौके पर सीईओ ऑफ निवाज हाउसिंग फाइनेंस ने सभी स्टाफ से मुलाकात करते हुए उन्हें मुबारकबाद पेश की और साथ ही मोटिवेट भी किया। मजीद इन्होंने क्या कहा है, आइए देखते हैं। इसी तरह के न्यूज़ अपडेट्स और दीगर मालूमात के लिए हमारे इस चैनल जेड नाउ टीवी को यूट्यूब पर सब्सक्राइब करें, फेसबुक इंस्टा पर फॉलो ज़रूर करें। याद रखिए, जेड नाउ टीवी, यही सच है।
Hi, my name is Srijit Menon. I'm the CEO of Nivas Housing Finance. We started this company in 2017 and started our presence in Telangana very shortly thereafter. Today we are about 8 years old as a housing finance company focused on the affordable housing segment with presence in 8 states with about 141 branches with a customer base of more than 43,000 and assets under management of close to 3,500 crores. When we started Nivas, our mission was to really solve the housing finance problems of the low income segment, uh, typically staying in the suburb of the metro cities and the tier 1, tier 2 cities of the country. And South remains our most important market. Within South, AP Telangana is our second biggest market after Tamil Nadu. Today, as you can see, we are right now at the SR Nagar office of Nivas Housing Finance. This is the regional office inauguration for which we have come in today. And the focus on Telangana remains very high. Our belief is that Telangana is one of the biggest markets for affordable housing finance. And we would like to further our cause on providing low income housing loans to the segment by entrenching ourselves into all parts of Telangana, particularly in Hyderabad, which is one of the biggest markets for us. So, very excited about this mission and very happy to be amongst the team at Hyderabad. Thank you.
Hi, this is Shripad Desai. I am the Chief Operating Officer at Nivas Housing Finance. Our company is engaged in business of giving home loans to low and middle income group. We have solid presence across South, of which Tamil Nadu and AP Telangana happens to be our core states. Today, we have inaugurated a regional office at SR Nagar, Hyderabad. This reaffirms our commitment to the state of Telangana. There's a big team here which takes care of the entire state. The approach that Nivas Housing has is to understand the requirements of the low and middle income group and prepare and roll out the products which suit their requirement. We also encourage the customers to avail benefits of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, which is rolled out by the central government. We are very active and we have special products to take care of the segment which is applying loans through Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. We encourage the customers to take this benefit and we commit ourselves to the fact that we want to pass on the benefits of this scheme uh, to the segment which really deserves and for which it has been designed by the government. We also would like to reiterate here is that in affordable home finance business, the reach that we are trying to make here in the state of Telangana will ensure that we go out to the tier 3 and tier 4 markets of Telangana, which actually mean serving the real segment which is not having the access to the formal credit, and hence this will be our commitment to this region. We would also like to mention here that the model on which this company runs is a doorstep service. So customers do not really are required to reach our office all the time. Our team reaches out to the customer at his doorstep and we provide doorstep service, keeping in the mind technology innovation which is happening in home finance business. We have also now a state-of-art technology at our side, which will ensure that customers can do online transactions with us through the technology of app-based processing. We will ensure that the entire process is hassle-free. There is minimum of documentation that is required, and Nivas is committed to give the best service through the adoption of the technology in this industry.
अल रहमानिया टूर्स एंड ट्रैवल्स हज, उम्रा और ज़ियारतों की खिदमत हासिल करें बहुत ही कम रकम में। हमारे यहाँ से जाने वाले तमाम आज़मीन को मुफ्त में एहराम और 2 बैग दिए जाते हैं। मक्का और मदीना में उम्रा और तमाम ज़ियारतों की आसानी के लिए मौलवी का एहतमाम, इंडियन और हैदराबादी फुट लॉन्ड्री की सहूलतें। इसके अलावा हमारे यहाँ एयर टिकटिंग, डोमेस्टिक इंटरनेशनल टूर पैकेजेस, डोमेस्टिक इंटरनेशनल इमिग्रेशन सर्विसेज, विजिट वीजाज, पासपोर्ट सर्विसेज, सर्टिफिकेट अटेस्टेशन, ऑनलाइन सर्विसेज, अकाउंट एंड बैंकिंग सर्विसेज, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन और दीगर तमाम सर्विसेज हासिल करने के लिए चले आइए अल रहमानिया टूर्स एंड ट्रैवल्स हज व उम्रा, हसन नगर एक्स रोड, डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह फ्लाईओवर अपोजिट पिलर नंबर 55। कॉन्टैक्ट 9666861414 और 7997866029। ईमेल एड्रेस भी सेव कर लें। याद रखिए, अल रहमानिया टूर्स एंड ट्रैवल्स हज व उम्रा और तमाम ज़ियारतें।